Welcome back to our channel. Today imagine cruising down open highways with all the comforts of home at your fingertips. So that's exactly what Thor Motor Coach is promising with its 2026 lineup. From nimble Class B vans to spacious diesel pushers, Thor delivers variety, style, and top-tier technology. Let's explore how this rising star in the RV world continues to shine in its 2026 model year. First up, the Axis and Vegas, both compact class A Macron-A motorhomes built on reliable Ford platforms. The Axis starts under $165,000 and appeals to those seeking a manageable yet fully equipped class A Macron-A. Compact dimensions make parking and maneuvering easier, while features like touchscreen infotainment, power awnings, and integrated outdoor kitchens enhance versatility for road trips or tailgates. The Vegas offers similar appeal but focuses more squarely on comfort and value, making it a strong contender for families or couples desiring a home on wheels experience. For families or groups needing extra space, Thor's ACE brings impressive innovation. Dubbed the Class A, Class C evolution, the 2026 ACE starts around $186,000 and combines roomy interiors with pet and family-friendly design. Highlights include pull-out kill stations, tie-downs for furry friends, bunk-over options, and budget-conscious layouts that don't skimp on luxury. It balances practicality and elegance with features like large residential floor plans, Wi-Fi boosters, satellite prep, and reliable own generators. Next is the ACE 29G and 29D floor plans, showcasing slide-out living space, dedicated bedroom zones, and external entertainment grooves like an exterior TV and kitchen. The 29D even offers a king-size bed, full wall slide, and ample storage for longer travels, making it a solid pick for full-timers or big families. Heading upward in luxury, Thor's Four Winds Class A Macron C Series brings comfort and convenience without excessive size. The new Four Winds 28Z, 29K, and 31H models feature smooth tech suspension, a large touchscreen dash with CarPlay and Android Auto, tankless water heaters, and mega storage exterior bays are helping them stand out in the Class A Macron C segment. The Four Winds 28G in particular includes a powerful 7.3A Macron V8 gas engine, lofted bunk overhead, own generator, residential comforts like 84A in ceilings and leatherette furniture all wrapped in a user-friendly 30-foot chassis perfect for families. At the top of the ladder are Thor's Super Macron C diesel models, the Pasadena 34XG, Magnitude R36, and Magnitude Grand X32. These diesel beasts offer massive storage, high payloads, and powerful Cummins or Ford diesels. The 34XG, powered by a Cummins B6, 7 liters and riding on a diesel chassis, includes 100-gallon freshwater capacity, 36-foot length, dual slides, bunk-over cab, and outdoor entertainment to all for around $255,000 MSRP. The R36 and Grand X32 push even further, with up to 38 feet, 8K generators, and deluxe floor plans tailored to extended road trips or full-timers. Thor's attention to build quality shows across the board: laminated walls and roofs, tinted radius windows, power awnings with LEDs, backup cameras, solar prep, engine chassis tech, and Wi-Fi/satellite integration are all standard or optional. Safety, comfort, and connectivity take center stage. In short, Thor Motor Coach's 2026 lineup offers tailored solutions for every type of traveler. The Axis and Vegas are ideal for singles or couples looking for affordable Class A Macron-A convenience. The ACE caters to families and pet owners wanting more space and comfort. Four Winds car class models balance drivability and luxury, ideal for small families. And Super C choices like Pasadena and Magnitude punch above their weight in storage, power, and on-road performance are perfect for serious travelers. Whether you're chasing tailgate parties, exploring national parks, or embarking on a full-time RV adventure, the 2026 Thor lineup delivers a compelling blend of quality, tech, and thoughtful design, all built with that American spirit of freedom and exploration. Pack your bags, hit the road, and let Thor be your guide.